Here's super cool, actually beginner's mistake that everybody makes, that starting out with ChatGPT or AI. I wish AI would just admit when it doesn't know the answer to something. And yes, don't use like these free all models. For example, I use Claude AI. I highly suggest everybody to use it. Multiple reasons why I will explain later. But the thing is, like I like the most is it can connect to internet. You just like toggle on, do the web research. Also, I can toggle on, do the reasoning. So it takes a little bit longer to get the answer that I'm asking. But he goes through the all inputs of the data and then just spits out the real answers with the notes, with all these annotations, and I can just click on annotation and read the full article about it. So yes, and also here's the thing, like about in generic in life, when you use like all these free tools, they are shit. So I suggest use like paid, at least one paid tool, because you will get much better data and you will spend less time on building something. For example, there is some part of people who use these open source like self-hosted LLMs to code some app or code whatever, and it sometimes takes like multiple iterations to get the same actually output or the same like end goal, let's say 4 times more than if you just was paying for Claude or any paid version, because that paid versions usually works much faster and don't like make that many mistakes. So whenever you're starting out with AI, I highly suggest start with paid tools. Don't use free tools. Another thing, there was downtime for creating images on ChatGPT, whatever, like this interface, like who's using regular interface. Then I went to the developer's account, and there it still was working. But on developer's account, I am paying for each image that I generate. It's not like included in my monthly subscription. What I want to say here, just pay for things. Don't expect that this will be for free.